November 03 X-ray. Papa. Contact tower on 118.1.
Contact tower on 118.1. November 03 X-ray. Papa.
November 816. November. Contact tower on 118.1.
Contact tower on 118.1. November 816. November. Tower. November 816. November.
November 816. November. Cross runway 3 right. Hold short of runway 3 left.
Cross 3 right. Hold short of 3 left. November 816. November.
November 03 X-ray. Papa. Contact center on 135.905.
Contact center on 135.905. November 03 X-ray. Papa.
November 816. November. Fly heading 030. Runway 3 left. Clear for takeoff.
Heading 030. Runway 3 left. Cleared for takeoff. November 816. November. Tower. November 02 X-ray. Papa.
November 02 X-ray. Papa. Cross runway 3 left. Hold short of runway 3 right.
Cross 3 left. Hold short of 3 right. November 02 X-ray. Papa.
November 816. November. Contact center on 135.905.
Contact center on 135.905. November 816. November. Center. November 816. November.
November 816. November. Lima Tango Alpha Charlie. Altimeter 2992.
Lima Tango Alpha Charlie. Altimeter 2992. November 816. November.
November 816. November. Fly heading 120.
Heading 120. November 816. November.
November 816. November. Fly heading 180.
Heading 180. November 816. November.
November. 816 November. November. Resume on navigation.
On navigation. November. 816 November. November.
November. 05 X-ray. Papa. Fly heading 100. Descend and maintain 6,000.
Heading 100. Down to 6,000. November. 05 X-ray. Papa.
November. 05 X-ray. Papa. Lima. Tango. Alpha. Charlie. Altimeter 2992.
Lima. Tango. Alpha. Charlie. Altimeter 2992. November. 05 X-ray. Papa.
November. 816 November. November. Descend and maintain flight level 2.